In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your background in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're working from home, attending virtual meetings, or just wanting to add a little creativity to your video calls, customizing your background in Teams can make your calls more professional and fun. This simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device. You can do this by launching the Teams app or visiting the official Teams website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner. Click on it and enter your login credentials. Make sure your username and password are ready so you can log in quickly without any interruptions. Next, find the video camera icon on the toolbar. This is your starting point for meetings. Click it and then select Start Meeting. Don't worry, this can just be a practice session where you set up your background. You don't need other participants right now. Once you're inside the meeting interface, look for the three dots, which represent additional settings. Click on them to open a drop-down menu, then select Video Effects and Settings. This section is where you'll find all the background customization options. Here you'll see a variety of preset backgrounds that Microsoft Teams provides, along with an option to upload your own image. Scroll through the choices and select the one that best fits your meeting style. Whether it's a professional office look or a cozy coffee shop vibe, pick something that enhances your presence without being distracting. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your camera is working properly, check your lighting, and choose an image with a resolution that fits your video feed. Doing this beforehand ensures your background looks sharp and professional. Once you've selected your preferred background, click Apply. This will replace whatever is currently behind you in your video feed, giving your meetings a polished and personalized touch. You're now ready to join any call with a custom background that protects your privacy and adds style to your virtual space. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your Microsoft Teams background easily and confidently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with friends or colleagues. Why not make someone's video calls more fun and professional?